You have Mduduzi Shabalala playing in a new role, bafethu, in a number 8 position. I always felt Mdu bafethu has been bukela Chiefs last season ngoba ikusho ngeksenga se lezi coaches imbone kanye zimtry Mdu man as a central midfielder. Yabo, like in modern game Mdu bafethu angadlala grand as a central midfielder bafethu. And Mdu ene check grand enothanda udrive nebhola like, and kuse Mdu siyambona simbonile ba umchana in terms of finishing the goal scoring ibe weakness yakhe leyana. So if uza deep, at least umjito uzoba more confidence and I mean a better view yebhali yabona ngesibini number 10 efika opportunities umjita but imekho clinical. And I was like mhlalise central midfielder bona mhlalise is number 8 umdu in the 3-man midfield ke ngoku ka Fernando da Cruz. And ke ngoku I forward line bafethu yo Kaizer Chiefs in options apha the players phazamisa. Before siqhubekeke ndicela isupport, nishaye ulike okanye usubscribe. Nenye into sicela ningaskiphi i-ads xa zingena apha ke screen. As i-content creators iyanceda kakhulu loo nto if aniskiphi i-ads. Inkosi bafethu. Majita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Incoming coach Kaizer Chiefs Fernando da Cruz udume nge-4-3-3 plus ne-4-2-3-1 bafethu. Kule video yafandaga nizoqala nge-4-3-3. iKaizer Chiefs uzayibopha njani i-lineup yakhe ke-4-3-3 with i-defense entsha bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs ine-signing entsha most central defense plus kwamka no-Aiden McCarthy, the best central defender Kaizer Chiefs last season. Yeah, sure, Kaizer Chiefs ngoku Kaizer Motaung Junior uyahlanyisa ifans ngoku uyafrustrate. Kaizer Chiefs is slow. Kaizer Chiefs is slow announce signings, but still isekhona excitement around the club. A new coach bafethu, especially foreign coach usuka from ngaphandle, is an excitement bafethu, especially coach enjena ene pedigree uzodiqe neza European methodologies coach ne ideas ezintsha. Kaizer Chiefs inazo nezinye players esuka injury ezoba nala effect in new signings bafethu. If we player ingangidlali yaba injured for more than 6 months, xa ubuya uzoba nala effect ba okay ngathi uyi new signing nalapho excitement. uRushwin Dotley, Etiosa Igodaro, top players. Ben Yusuf ebesethethile futhi bakusejonga i-coach zonke zine ideas, but lena inazo even more than most coaches. Manukunikela coach Khalil Ben Yusuf owanika uDiski Times about le coach uFernando da Cruz. Khalil Ben Yusuf uyathetha kamandi waquota le coach, uyazi le coach uFernando da Cruz. Ithi coach yakhe wachazayo, he was before us at Asfar Rabat eMorocco. The same game model. What does it mean? Uthi ba bepha Fernando da Cruz before afike yena uKhalil Ben Yusuf noNabi mos. So bafike baqhubekeka ngegame model ebenayo before uFernando da Cruz. Uthi we continued it, which is the game model, when we met in Morocco. When I finished my CAF A license, Fernando was an instructor in the Federation of Morocco. Le game model is 4-3-3 formation bafethu. Uthi the project in Morocco is more about the 4-3-3, not the 4-3-2-1. I-4-3-2-1 ile ilapha Kaizer Chiefs ebeyenza uNabi plus naye uBen Khalil Youssef noCedric Kaze. So uBen Khalil Youssef yena uthi ba kuse le coach Kaizer Chiefs kuzawunceda ba mayiqhubekeke ingatshintshi model iqhubekeke ngale 4-2-3-1, but asizuva ngayo Ben Yusuf bafethu. I-4-3-3 exciting makayitshintshi Fernando da Cruz as ne 4-3-3-1 yakhe. Uthi there are some differences between us and them, how they make the offensive formation and how they defend. There's differences too. I'm not sure what he worked on over the last 2 years in Morocco than the Fernando of before. But the only thing I know, he's one of the people that is always following the new game models, the trends in football. He watches a lot of football. He's always updated and always knows what's going on. Again, it goes back to Rintitai by Sejonga. There's a whole lot of excitement around the Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Ziyeke ezinye flop zika Kaizer Motaung Junior acapisa ifans ngazo. So game like bafethu there's a go for excitement. Sure angayenza 4-2-3-1, zayenza enye video about 4-2-3-1, but namhlanje masijonge i-specialty yakhe le 4-3-3 le asebenze ngayo in the past 2 years ke Morocco Federation, a technical director in Morocco. So information xa ziyi-4 back, obviously the full backs is 2 right back and the left back plus the central defenders is 2. In this case, right back, Thabiso Monyane, yobani debut season grand for Kaizer Chiefs last season bafethu. Thabiso Monyane nguye starter apha kule 4-3-3 ke right back. uDylan Solomons andiyazi bayithini indaba ye-future yakhe umjita. Bedlala Kaizer Chiefs ebe impactful phana, influential CAF Confederation Cup isikakhulu. But then ise umjida wavele wadrotshwa waphuma kwi-team the minute waqala i-new negotiations for i-contract entsha. I-contract entsha yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs iyaphela mosman ngoJune uphela kwenyanga. So when he started negotiations wavele wayekisa udlaliswa, and then oko kwaka-negotiator since then andiyazi bathi negotiations iphele phi bafethu. If you wondered basijonga ophelele phi uDylan Solomons 10 weke udlala, it was because beqale i-contract negotiations. So kule 4-3-3 Monyane right back, and then left back uBradley Cross. uBradley Cross uphele iwinner la starting place pakla left back, uphele i-owner in-new signings last season Kaizer Chiefs. Nkanyiso Shinga kangalenze ixesha, he was not good enough. I don't care about the injury. Number one Nkanyiso Shinga mna ki-first game engabi nayo injury mosman. Kaizer Chiefs yadlala i-friendly, i-preseason friendly Toyota Cup by Bloemfontein. He was not good enough. Wambona umjida ba se i-level le-Kaizer Chiefs, i-level le-Beto Premiership akalungi umjida, and usuka ki-second division ePortugal. Anyways Kaizer Chiefs andiyazi ejongephi ba yayicinga ba okay umjida uzalenza ixesha apha. Okay, yeah, sure. Mistakes happen. Bon, akho club ingazenziyo i-transfer mistakes, yabo. Uyayisana i-play and then the player ngaphumeleli ngakho good enough. Pirates ayenza lo, Sundowns ayenza lo, zonke clubs worldwide. Nkanyiso Shinga was not good enough. I don't care about injury yakhe, ba uthole injury, he's not good enough. Nambona dala nabukele ibhola bafethu. Ndiyazi quality left back xa ndiyibona. And then Paseka Marco used to be a good left back bafethu, but uMarco ayisenguye bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs umjida wadlala iyo bakhona igame wadlala ngayo grand man of the match, but even a performance against iGolden Arrows ngoye man of the match pha uMarco. Ayiyo level kaMarco. That was not the Marco I know, the best of Marco. Maro so ba man of the match phana uMarco ayisenguye bafethu. So uBradley Cross waphela ba number 1 left back Kaizer Chiefs. And then the Kaizer Chiefs, as I've said in the recent videos apakule channel bafethu, izosana a left back as a computer ibe cover for uBradley Cross. And also they expect Kaizer Chiefs ipromote u-offense Khotsana because kuse umchana uyafita for the 4-3-3 bafethu. uBradley Cross bafethu left back Ntswembu, but in terms of the 4-3-3 system and what it demands from a left back, andikoshoba uyafita grand uBradley Cross up. And these things happen bafethu. Uyakwazi ukuthi a good player, but i-playing system if you can coach entsha ungakwazi wena ubona playing ability ifitayo lo. I-4-3-3 bafethu, i-full backs, i-right back, the left back niggas being a high impact bafethu. Niggas enzela way kuthiwa up and down. Funeka ibe dynamic, ibe intense, i-left back ne-right back. Siyamazi uBradley Cross Ntswembu bafethu, but uCross is more of a full back umjida. I-area yakhe improver is like going forward, bona umjida, like taking the ball, carrying the ball, step into midfield, uhambe uyeke last third, ushaye i-cross, ushaye i-shooting, wenze i-combinations ne-left winger no number 10. uBradley Cross akayenzi enough lawe, but at things stand I expect Kaizer Chiefs a light offense Khotsana like DDC yona i-flying full back la light. Ndiyamazi noKabelo Nkrwesa, but say le offense that is a wing back bafethu. So watch the space. Otherwise for now starting uBradley Cross plus Thabiso Monyane fits this 4-3-3 bafethu. Siyamazi uMonyane kuse he attacks. And then central defense is going to be a new central defensive pairing Kaizer Chiefs. Exciting times bafethu. In a new signing uThabo Molisane from Stellenbosch, and then Aiden McCarthy is gone as the left center back. Good news is that uRushwin Dwadley, who was the top defender Kaizer Chiefs, who was a Bafana international before his horrific injury, is coming back from the injury. Umchita ngoku is going to be the new partnership with uThabo Molisane, right center back, left center back uRushwin Dwadley. Then the three midfielders ke 4-3-3, not two midfielders, is the three midfield. 4-3-3 midfielders is by 3, and that means number 8 by 2 bafethu plus no number 6. Number 10 akekho kwi-4-3-3 bafethu. Iba ngu-6 no-8 by 2. Aba-8 ba-advance ba-dynamic bayenza up and down, box to box. Asibekho nala 6 ohleliyo ke ngoku, but not usibongiseni imithetho bafethu. Lo 6 izaba nguLebohang Mabo. And then aba-8 by 2 we're going to see uSipho Ndlovu. And then you have Mduduzi Shabalala playing in a new role bafethu, in the number 8 position. I always felt Mdu bafethu has been bukela Chiefs last season ngoba ikshonga kusenga se lezi coaches imbone kanye zimtry Mdu man as a central midfielder. Yabo, like in modern game Mdu bafethu angadlala grand as a central midfielder bafethu. And Mdu ne-energy grand enothanda udrive nebhola like, and kuse Mdu siyambona simbonile ba umchana in terms of finishing goal scoring ibe weakness yakhe leyana. So if uza deep, at least umjida uzaba more confidence and I mean a better view yebhali. Yabona ngesibini bedlala number 10 if you get opportunities umjida, but imekho clinical. And I was like mhlalise central midfielder, bona mhlalise as number 8 Mdu in the 3-man midfield ke ngoku ka Fernando da Cruz. and ke ngoku i-forward line bafethu yo Kaizer Chiefs ine-options apha the players i-3 attack bafethu ngu-number 9 ne-right winger ne-left winger. Kaizer Chiefs ine-options ezininzi ke apha bafethu ndayazi uba Kaizer Chiefs aphinda isayine enye winger mosman ngoku but sawuthetha ngayo later on xa se-announsiwe okanye yaconfirm uba okay Kaizer Chiefs isayine ili-winger but okwangoku masithethe ngezi zikhoyo ngoku bafethu. I-best nguLilepo bafethu because of his goal scoring and his strength and his power. But Lilepo bafethu is not my type of footballer, but he was the best Kaizer Chiefs and he was scoring goals. Nguye on the right, udlale right kwenye left uLilepo. Doesn't matter, maybe uzoswitcha. Then number 9 bafethu ndiyatshintsha. Ndayazi uba kusejonga Flavio Silva was a top striker Kaizer Chiefs last season, was the best striker Kaizer Chiefs last season. But kweyami lineup starter Ighodaro, Itiosa Ighodaro is back. Grand uzodlala uSilva naye bazokushesha i-minutes bafethu but i-starter sam ngu-Ighodaro bafethu is back from injury. Ighodaro bafethu he is more mobile, he has more energy umjita yena and is very very good technically plus nasenhloko. uSilva if umbona uSilva Grand ebestrugglisha hold up ibhola no receiver no 10 but le ngu-Ighodaro i-better kulo way. uSilva ngathi after 65 minutes 70th minute yabo ashaya inet yabo but ise-Ighodaro uyastarta bafethu and then bekhona Lilepo apha bafethu can I be honest okay andifuni ube ndixoxisa bafethu ndiyazi abantu bazokhala because manze vele ndidrope uLilepo plus ndidrope noVilakazi wenu ndiyazi kusezinye iFans Chiefs ziyamthanda uVilakazi but this is my lineup akastart uVilakazi bafethu lineup yami le umfundo uVilakazi wenu does not start in my team akastart weyami team bafethu but ndiyamazi kuse umfundo bafethu unayo potential umfundo but uyamdika mna uyadika umfundo bafethu xa umfundo emncedayo and say I've said it like early last season but say umfundo uzayimake bafethu ebholeni umfundo because unewe ibalulekileyo ebholeni umfundo which is like one of the most important things in football. Umtshana une-confidence like ayoyiki like inenhliziyo la light ebholeni ibalulekile bafethu ungawa playing swim but if awunenhliziyo awuyindawo la light ayoyiki kwenza mistakes bafethu i-confident inesibindi la light that's why izophumelela ebholeni but andiyazi uba kusejonga izaba njani kufana na Cruz but mna umfundo bafethu even the technique yakhe man it's a bit uncomfortable ngathi awkward man umfundo yabona umfundo indlela receive ngayo ibhola indlela phasa ngayo ngathi ku discomfort ethile man but yeah ndimgate umtshana but I respect him and the other defense the Chiefs ziyamthanda and I respect that. Umfundo is like is similar to other players abo Saleng abo Nkotha. Other players ziyadika bafethu, other players zenza i-decision ezi-wrong kakhulu ebholeni, other players ziyathanda ukwenza imistake ezininzi, bathanda ulahla ibhola benza imistake ezininzi tactically abekho smart kakhulu amajita but bazogcina moment of brilliance bashaye spectacular goals yabo ngoSaleng plus noNkotha abo umfundo naye kuse unalawe enazo oSaleng noNkotha banesibini banenhliziyo yabo yikwenza mistakes umuntu kusevelenza imistake ehlazayo but akazoshwabana confidence yakhe aphinda aye again yabo so umfundo yamnceda la way bafethu so umfundo yamnceda la way but akastart ku-team yami bafethu Arsenal level ebhayi bafethu watch out for Arsenal level ebhayi bafethu ndayazi last season uvele ebhayi bengu-hot and cold but kuse umuntu enimblemayo phaa bafethu la coaching zeza coaches apha kanti kwazi uSpanish ovele ebhayi bafethu I've seen uvele ebhayi nyanyani bafethu mna yo alight bafethu uwrong bafethu Arsenal level ebhayi machita bafethu ngwase Cape Town bafethu and sovele ebhayi nombukele for isikhathi eside bafethu like isina 17 ovele ebhayi bafethu alight special bafethu and yastarta kule yami team bafethu danda bukela wingers i-attacking midfielder South Africa bafethu kudanda ibukela i-local football bafethu alight and nizambona under le coach bafethu leya yeke la uye speed uvele ebhayi ba uquick ya uquick umjita yo ajonga mara kusela light i-technique yayo mfethu like i-change of direction yayo la light better ngevala i-10 yo inikubetha ngevala light i-10 yala light wrong change direction la light ngespeed light shine left and right bafethu equal power left foot shot betha umbane nge-right foot betha umbane nge-left foot alight wrong bafethu watch out for uvele ebhayi bafethu next season uvele ebhayi bikhona iway bezenza nqomo yami uvele ebhayi wenza kanjani ngoku qala phela understand okay uvele ebhayi thini senza la way uvele ebhayi like bithanda ukubamba ibhola nefuna ukwenza izinto zonke all the time and isela way isuka from Cape Town Spurs like Cape Town Spurs ibi set up around uvele ebhayi basejonga amajita qhawatha ibhola anika uAsa qhawatha ibhola anika uAsa basejonga uAsa ngoyenza izinto yabo so that's why uAsa besenza la way umjita Kaizer Chiefs na qaba ibhola befuna because umjita saqhelela way ba okay unike bambe wena mfethu yenza izinto zenzakale so uzophela adapter ngoba okay Kaizer Chiefs ngoku kufuneka adaptile umjita Kaizer Chiefs ba okay mfethu ba okay mfethu don't always try to make things ngokwakho mfethu yabo don't always try to make things ngokwakho khombana namanye amajita like la majita nawo wabasele bankusejonga create ispace plus creator ispace, create the play for amanye amajita nawo se enze izinto yabo. So vele bhazo adapta kula way bafethu, otherwise watch out bafethu out la boy izaba bafana fana international bafethu. So he starts in my front three apha kule 4-3-3 bafethu. So there you have it bafethu, the lineup, the 4-3-3 lineup silindeleyo kuFernando da Cruz bafethu. Apha esikhathini kule veki kanye next week zokwenza i-4-2-3-1, but apha kule 4-3-3 bafethu, right back Thabiso Monyane, left back Bradley Cross, central defensive pair entsha Thabo Molisane, right center back, left center back Roshun Dwatli's back, and then in midfield 3 bafethu, Lebohang Mabo, Sipho Ndlovu, plus Nomduduzi Shabalala is a number 8 bafethu. Sipho Ndlovu akaloqatha uNdlovu bafethu. Izibonile ezinye social media fans the Chiefs. uNdlovu aloqatha amajita izeke izinto zika Ben Yusuf plus no Cedric Kaze bafethu. uNdlovu iplayer leya bafethu. Thina abantu sambonayo siyazi kusemjita level yakhe ngeMaritzburg United plus na SuperSport United, even na Pirates umjita wayinayo le quality man ibonisa. Number 8 lo bafethu, dynamic lo bafethu, uNdlovu driver le ball thatha abantu le yajo. So ilo 3 midfield yahamba bafethu, and then front 3 vele by Etiosa Igodaro no Claude Lelepo bafethu. Respect noMayo, ungamozeleli uMayo bafethu if yahlala Kaizer Chiefs, i-quality player leya, and yazi le msenzo ngoCedric Kaze no Ben Yusuf kuMayo. Enye player bafethu amajita disrespect leyo bafethu. Respect ukhanyisa Mayo. But yeah bafethu, nansi i-4-3-3 lineup under uFernando da Cruz bafethu. Exciting times coming for Kaizer Chiefs majita. Makungaphenikwa kakhulu bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs izawusign players noma 3 or 4 quality players bafethu. Plus ne players ngoku ezo-improve esizaziyo bazintswempu ezo-improve under a better coach bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs izodlala grand next season bafethu. Nicela bafethu msinqole i-comments bafethu, nicela ngale subscriber okanye nishaye ulike bafethu, okanye nishareshe i-video nezinye fans ze-Chiefs bafethu ezingekho apha kule channel. And also bafethu, isizini iyaqala ngo-August, kuthiwa nge-1st August bafethu. Ningalahleki bafethu, nihlala pha ku-Football SA bafethu. Zoshaya i-match previews bafethu, shaya i-match reactions ezi-grand from August iqala isizini yotsho kuphela isizini ngoMay bafethu, nizame ndikhona apha. Moja bafethu.